Good evening. This is Dan with Index Option Trading, and we will start our daily charts here. Before I begin, I have already made another video. You can take a look at it. Today, Congress, Senate passed the financial reform bill addressing the Wall Street by a margin of 59 to 39. Several Republicans voted for the bill and made it a possibility. Now the bill has to be reconciled with the House version and goes for signatures to President Barack Obama. That is one of the greatest things that could ever happen to us in our generation. This is a sweeping reform, the biggest financial overhaul since 1930s. It addresses everything what these big banks are able to do and what they can do, and it stops the culture of greed that we have seen so much depicted in the last few years. And this addresses the situation that we will never have to go through this kind of a crisis again in our lifetime. With that said, let's take a look at what happened to our charts. From here, the day Goldman Sachs was hauled into Senate and grilled on 427, the day Goldman Sachs and other people were investigated or criminal investigations were started, and to this day, this major crash, flash crash that took place that took the market down 1,000 points, and then it rallied back up here again to hit this deck here at 40 at 50-day moving average, and then the relentless amount of selling that went into this market day after day after day after day after day. And today they gapped the market open 200 points. I was watching it. The market opened with a gap. It was a pre-configured, pre-planned, pre-made deal, and there was nothing you could do. And today was options expirations. Remember, we had positions here. We had positions. They got all overrun by this kind of slamming down the drain tactic. And the market was pre-gapped, opened here 200 points, and it never looked back, and it just kept on going. At about 12 o'clock, the news flashed that Senate has stopped debating, and now the bill is going to the floor. And at that time, the relentless amount of selling took place here, and it just wouldn't stop till the bell on the stock market ran off. And if the bell hadn't run off, they didn't run out the time, this would have crashed even further. So today, with the passage of the Senate bill, hold on to your seat. We don't know which way the Wall Street's going to react, and that we have to see tomorrow morning. This market can easily be torn down to 1,000 levels without any hesitation. With the curiosity and with the anger and with the frustration and with the anger temper tantrum that can develop here, this could go either way. I cannot tell. I'm not in the business of predicting the markets. I only read the charts and tell the story. And that's what I try to do. Honestly, I bring you the best there is to it in the analysis of technical markets, and I never exaggerate or put our opinions into it, but there are some times that I do have to say things and fundamental reasons. The fundamentally our country is on the mend. The economy couldn't have been in a better shape than it was 2 years ago, and all the earnings from all the retailers and the builders of stocks, everything is coming shining A1. And that is the fundamentals of this country. There's nothing wrong with the economy at this time. It's always going to be something wrong, but this economy is on the improvement. It will grow 3 to 4% this year, and it will be definitely a better year than we have seen. But with that background, with those great fundamentals, this is what has been done here to the stock market. Trillions of dollars of wealth was wiped out today and in the last few days alone. So just hold on to your seats. We're not going to take any positions here. We are very happy with the passage of this bill, and Wall Street was anticipating this move. That is why this market was going down, and you would not get this thing on TV or any other place but except here. So just hold on to your seats, and we will proceed in the morning how it goes.